My name is Dmitry Fedotov, and I am the head of DLT Foundation's oversight at ADGM. Today, we're going to explore two terms you've likely heard before: blockchain and Web3. They might sound complex, but by the end of this session, you'll understand what they are and why they matter in our digital world. Let's dive right in with a story about a small company called Bright Ideas Co. To make these concepts simple, imagine Bright Ideas Co. has a shared digital logbook. This logbook is special because everyone on the team can write in it. But once something is recorded, it's locked in place. No one can erase or change it. This shared logbook is a lot like blockchain. Blockchain works like a series of pages called blocks in this digital logbook. Each page gets filled with information and is stamped with a unique digital fingerprint, known as a hash. This fingerprint connects each page to the previous one, forming a secure chain of entries, hence the name blockchain. The chain is tamper-proof because if someone tries to alter an old entry, the fingerprints won't match, and everyone will notice the change immediately. What's more, everyone in the company has their own copy of the logbook. It's decentralized, meaning no single person or entity controls it. This makes blockchain secure, transparent, and trustworthy. Let's look at how this digital logbook helps Bright Ideas Co. in real life. 1. Digital payments, the business wallet. Bright Ideas Co. uses Bitcoin, which operates on blockchain. It's like having a secure digital wallet that everyone can see, but only the company can access. Payments are quick, transparent, and don't involve traditional banks. 2. Supply chain transparency, the company's detective. The company often orders equipment. Using blockchain, they can track each item from the supplier to their office, just like having a detective that records every step. This way, they always know when their new tools will arrive. 3. Smart contracts. The digital assistant, Bright Ideas Co. signs agreements with clients using smart contracts. Once the client's payment is received, the project starts automatically, without any need for manual approval or paperwork. Everything runs smoothly according to the rules set in the contract. Think of Web3 as the upgraded version of the internet, built on the same principles as our digital logbook. In the early days, the internet, Web 1, was like a static library. You could only read information. Then came Web 2, the internet we use today, where you can post photos, comment on videos, and shop online. But here's the problem. Big tech companies started collecting all the data, using it for their own profit. Web3 changes this by being decentralized, like our logbook. It gives control back to the users. Instead of big companies owning your data, you own it and you interact directly with others using secure decentralized apps or dApps. Here's how Web3 can make a difference for a business like Bright Ideas Co. Decentralized social media, the Content Hub. Bright Ideas Co. shares creative content online. In Web3, they use a decentralized platform where they own their posts and photos. No company can delete their content or use their data without permission. Decentralized finance, DeFi, the company treasury. Instead of relying on traditional banks, Bright Ideas Compa uses DeFi tools to manage their funds. They can earn interest, access loans, and make investments directly with more transparency and fewer fees. Digital art and NFTs, the creative showcase. The company's designers create digital artwork for clients. In Web3, they can sell unique pieces as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These digital assets are verified on blockchain, proving ownership and authenticity, making them valuable. So, here's the easiest way to understand it. Blockchain is like a shared digital notebook for Bright Ideas code. It's made up of pages, blocks, that are linked together, forming a secure chain. Everyone on the team has a copy, so no one can secretly change what's written. This makes it a trustworthy way to record anything important. Payments, contracts, or deliveries. Web3 is the next version of the internet that uses this shared notebook idea. Think of it as a new kind of online world where you're in control. In today's internet, Web2, big companies own your data. They decide how it's used. But with Web3, you own your data and can choose what happens to it. For a business like Bright Ideas Co., this means they can connect directly with clients, share content freely, and manage their money safely, all without relying on big tech companies. In short, blockchain is the secure record keeper, and Web3 is the new internet that gives you ownership and control. Thanks for following along. I hope this gave you a clear, simple picture of how blockchain and Web3 are shaping the future of our digital lives.